Hello everyone and Merry Christmas to all and welcome back to Small Fabulous Home channel. I know I said that I would put up the video much faster, but this was the first year that we decided not to visit our parents for safety reasons, so I preferred spending time on video calls and dedicate the entire Christmas for them. So sorry for the delay on this. Hopefully you will get some inspiration maybe on video. So I started by removing all my fall decor from the living area. While watching the new Mariah Carey song, cannot believe I finally get to see Ariana perform with Mariah. This is just brilliant. I have all sorts of decor items surrounding me. I'm starting to bring them all out so I can see exactly with what I'm working. Some of them you've probably seen in my previous video. I will leave the link below for those of you that are curious to see what I got from Jumbo and Pepco. Here are the main things that I will be using. I have these candles that look like pieces of wood. They look very interesting. Then I got these large snowflakes that have this fluffy texture that I really love. Also had to get one that was a bit more sparkling. Have two more snowflakes in a different style, more 3D. This beautiful white star, it looked so amazing. This tray used to have some candle holders that I have no idea where I've put them, so I will see how I am able to use this. My LED candles with timers, except this little one, I don't think I'm gonna use this little one because I really love that, I don't know, it's magical when the candles light themselves up. Acorns, you really have to have acorns for any kind of winter decor. They bring so much coziness to the space, and I also like the texture for these round decorations. Oh, my sweet little candle, this will be your last year, as you got broken in so many places. Again with a bit of rhinestones, but I don't think I will use this. Some candle acorns that will bring a bit of something extra to the room. Some jingles and reindeers and another snowflake and this large reindeer. I have so many things. This beautiful white tree candle, I believe this will bring a bit of glam to any home corner, just enough for a small fabulous home. From my autumn decor, I'll be reusing this wood-like candle. The key is to try to reuse as many items that you have. This keeps it looking good, avoiding overcrowded storages, and most important, it's cheap on budget, budget friendly, name it as you wish. My budget loves this idea. Also finally found these beautiful velvet trees. I know from what I've seen on YouTube that those that live in the US have many more options of stores where they can find these kind of decorations. Sadly, in my side of the world where our options are much more limited, so I'm always happy to see new things in the stores. Sadly, before I show you how I decorated my living area, let me show you some of the things that I tried to do while stuck in the house due to you know who. These have ended up at my family's as part of their gifts. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about them? Like them or maybe not? Leave your thoughts below. Now let's get back to work. I have added this fabric that looks like snow, and I believe by now you realize that the theme that I'm going for is a white cozy Christmas. Christmas songs are on, and let me show you this tree that I got. I love this style. I was afraid it would look strange as I don't have that much space, but it's not too big. It fits perfect. I've been using these snowflakes as backsplash, but I got a feeling I'll be moving them quite a lot to get the right feeling. I really wanted to use some balls, so I started with this little one, added some white stones to resemble the icy top of the snow. I will add the second one, so the trick is to hide the legs so it will look like it's floating. This will bring a bit of height to this corner. I will fill this up with the acorns that I have. I love acorns in the decor. They bring a little bit of that cabin woods feeling to the space. I have a different area that I created like a mini fireplace. I added a bit of texture with this fluffy thing. Sadly, we cannot have an actual fireplace in an apartment building. I think I received this decoration as a Secret Santa present. I don't really remember. However, it does fit perfectly here, and there's something missing. These candles, I wanted to use them here next to the TV, but I believe these work better on the sides of the fireplace. Yep, much better. Love these IKEA candle holders. I'm always overthinking this as they have two sides, but this time I decided to go with the tall candles. And yes, as you can see, I'm listening to Christina Aguilera's Christmas Time because there is no Christmas time without this song for me. Love these huge snowflakes. They fill up the space and they look amazing. And we've reached my favorite decorations of this year, these silver flowers. I also have these flowers in velvet red and pink, and well, you'll see them later in this video. Oh yeah, and I wanted to ask if anyone happens to know this song. Leave the name in the comments below, as this is probably my all-time favorite Christmas song. Now let's find a place for this beautiful candle tree. Also, let's bring in that white reindeer as well. I wonder, should I use this wood tray or not? The candle for sure will be used. I also found a place for this tray while listening to Lea Michele's Christmas in New York. Hello to everyone in New York! And this is how my dream of a white winter turned into reality in my living room decor. I'll show you later a bit of magic also. I also have these floating boxes that I wanted to decorate. They come in 3 different shapes, and while I thought of using this beautiful star decor here, surprise, it's bigger than the biggest shelf. What? So these are basically some great ideas for very small areas. Just add some things, whatever makes you smile. It's Christmas, so it's all about the joy. And a small sneak peek from my bedroom and the decorations that I have in here. This turned out to be a red Christmas theme. Had so many red decorations, and some of them bring a lot of emotional attachment. I will leave you with Christmas cozy dreams, but I will upload the rest of my home decorations within the next few days. A video just to close this year. Let the countdown begin. Come and see the rest of my home decorations and my Christmas tree, and I will also add just a small idea for a New Year decoration. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and see you in the next few days.